Hello everyone. Today we are solving a question from the Engineering Services Examination 2026 Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Paper II. Okay. So basically, this is the question. Then the question is, when a file system has millions of small files, maintaining a free space list becomes inefficient. Suggest a free space management method to handle the situation efficiently. Okay. So first ask yourself, what is free space management? Every storage device has two types of blocks. First is the allocated blocks and second is the free blocks. Okay. Allocated blocks are already occupied by the files and free blocks are available for the new files. And the operating system must keep track of these free blocks. This process is called the free space management. Okay. And there are several free space management techniques in the operating system. First is like the bitmap. Second is linked list. Third is grouping. And fourth is like counting. Right. So today the question specifically mentions that the free space list becomes inefficient. So immediately our brain should think like which method performs better than a linked list. Okay. Now suppose the file system contains millions of small files. Small files are continuously created and deleted. As a result, the free blocks become scattered. The linked list of free blocks becomes extremely long, and to find the suitable free blocks, the operating system has to traverse many pointers. So this increases the search time, disk accesses, and the allocation overhead. So hence the linked list method becomes inefficient. Okay. So imagine a library. If every empty chair is connected by a rope, one after another, and you want to find an empty chair, you will have to walk through the entire chain, right? Now imagine instead of this, there is a digital display showing exactly which chairs are empty. Which one is faster? Obviously the digital display. So that digital display is exactly what a bitmap does. Okay. Now, what is the suitable solution? Bitmap or bit vector map method. This is the suitable solution. And here each disk block is represented by one bit. For example, 0 is the free block and 1 is the allocated block, or vice versa depending upon the implementation. And the operating system simply scans the bitmap to locate the free blocks. Okay. Suppose block 1 is allocated, block 2 is free, block 3 is allocated, block 4 is free, block 5 is free, block 6 is allocated, and block 7 is allocated, and block 8 is free. So the bitmap becomes what? 101001110. Okay. Now the operating system can immediately identify the free blocks. No long linked list are required over here. Now why the bitmap is better? There are several advantages. First, searching is faster. The operating system can quickly locate the free blocks. Second, easy to find the consecutive free blocks. This improves the allocation efficiency. Third, less pointer overhead. Unlike the linked list, bitmap does not require strong pointers for every free block. Advantage number 4 is what? Suitable for very large file system containing millions of files. Okay, so it scales much better. Okay, so if I talk about the linked list, this is sequential traversal required here and slow for the large disk and pointer overhead and difficult to locate the contiguous block. Okay, so and if I talk about the bitmap, this is direct bit scanning and fast for the large disk and very small overhead and easy to identify the continuous free blocks. Okay, so these are the distinction. Now, the examiner does not expect only one method name. He wants you to explain why the existing method fails, which method is better, and why that method is suitable. So whenever you write an engineering descriptive answer, now first state the problem, then the reason, then the solution, then the advantages. Okay, so this structure always scores better. And when a file system contains millions of small files, maintaining a linked free space list becomes inefficient because the list becomes very long and scattered, and searching for the free blocks requires the sequential traversal, increasing the allocation time and overhead. And a more efficient free space management technique is the bitmap, that is the bit vector method. And in this method, each disk block is represented by a single bit indicating whether it is free or allocated. And the operating system can efficiently scan the bitmap to locate the single or the contiguous free blocks, resulting in faster allocation, reduced overhead, and better scalability for the large file systems with the millions of small files. Okay, so students, the key learning from this question is basically a free space list or linked list becomes inefficient when there are millions of small files because of the long traversal and the pointer overhead. And the bitmap or the bit vector method is the preferred solution because it enables the fast searching, efficient allocation, and the better scalability. Okay. So that is all about this question. I hope all the points are now clear to you. And in the next session, we will be discussing a new question from the Engineering Services, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Paper II 2026 examination. Okay, so see you in the next session.